Welcome to the vlog. I can't find my glasses anyway, so I had to go look for these ones so I could find them, but I still can't find them. I hope they turn up because I like them the most. I don't know why I always leave them up beside my bed before I go to sleep, but they're not there. So I don't know what the hell I've done with them. I'm so tired today. 7:15 now, and I'm just having a cup of coffee in bed to try and wake myself up. It's also freezing, so I was literally gonna die when I went downstairs to make it, but I couldn't face getting dressed yet, so I'll do that in a minute. And then I'm meeting Megan at the gym. This coffee is really sweet. I put sweetener in it, but I must have put loads. That's a shit picture of it, but it was cute the whole way here. Do my little baby! My baby! Good girl, Banya. Look, she loves her jumper. She hates wearing it, but she loves having it beside her. Hi, cutie. Hi. Hi, my little precious. Wow, I love your new jumper. Wow, good girl. Bunny, guess what? It's lunchtime. Yay, it's lunchtime for me, Bunny. Yeah. You haven't even eaten your breakfast yet, you skinny little dog. You skinny little doggy. Good girl. I'm just home. I went upstairs to get my camera and make my bed and stuff, and I found these glasses at the end of my bed. Woohoo! I was definitely kicking them and everything in my sleep, so don't know how they're still intact, but thank God they are. I felt weird wearing my other ones. They're just different, you know? They're just looser and bigger. I'm just so used to these now. It's crazy, isn't it, how we always just like gravitate towards certain things. Do you get me? It's weird, like you always will pick a favorite subconsciously. But yeah, my stomach is literally, I have the worst pains. I'm so hungry, like I'm starving, so I'm gonna make an omelette for myself now. I can't wait. I'm starving. I would way prefer something that was ready like right now, but there's like nothing, and also I want to be healthy. So I'm gonna run with it while I'm actually in the healthy zone, you know. First of all, I need some cold water though. I'm parched and you can't even fill up your water in the gym anymore. So I have to survive on the one bottle. It's the worst. Maybe I should get a bigger bottle, because I'm like literally scrimping on it the whole time. Actually, I need to get another water bottle anyway, to be honest. This one, I've had it today. Look at my hair. Tomato, 2 eggs, this new little pan, it's perfect size for an omelette, and then beef corn, ham, and a bit of cheese for the top because yellow. And should I do chicken? This is already cooked. No, I'll save that for lunch. Okay, I think that's it. Or maybe, oh, there's red onion. I hate touching onion. It's always so hard to get the smell off your fingers. It's the worst, but they're so nice in stuff. Watching 90 Day Fiancé last night. Actually, if you haven't watched 90 Day Fiancé, you're missing out. Like seriously, what are you watching? It's the best show ever. It's so funny. Garlic salt, my favorite thing in the world. Now pour it in. Come on. I'm just putting some cheese on top, and then gonna put it in there. Gonna time for tea. It is finished. I'm so excited to eat it, I can't. Honestly, my confidence is not able for the fact that in the last 2 days 11.2 thousand people have viewed my bikini haul. The only perk is that it was 2017. My body was, I cry every time I look at it. So at the moment I'm just going through all of my stock and checking what I have in stock, because I feel like all my stock is wrong at the moment. Just about finished now. I'm on the last thing and I'm editing this week's podcast while I do it. So I'm 51 minutes through and it's an hour and 12 minutes long, but it's grand because I can pretty much just listen. Like, there's not much editing to do for our podcast. Like, there's only a few tiny things, so I can usually like do other stuff while I'm listening to it, which is grand. And hopefully I'll have this up today. We upload on YouTube as well as Spotify and stuff now, so don't forget to check this one out. Adam is such a little angel. There he is. Yeah, check that out if you haven't listened to our podcast. It's Girls Unfiltered, and I always leave a link to it in the description box. Right, it is lunchtime and I am so cold. Literally hurts, so I'm putting on the heating. I think I'm gonna have a wrap, a chicken wrap. My hair. I'm too hungry though. So I'm doing wrap. We've only got white wraps at the moment, so I'm gonna have to have a white one, and then lettuce, chicken. This chicken's already cooked, and then sauce. Actually, fuck my life, lettuce will be rotten if I'm toasting it, won't it? Yeah, it'll be disgusting. But I hate wraps not toasted, so what the fuck am I gonna do? Chicken on its own now? I think that's like half a chicken fillet, and it's actually like enough. Or like four, maybe. I'm obviously gonna have cheese. And I put in tomato, even though I don't really want it or like it that much, but like just needed something else, you know. I swear, I don't know what I would do with the cheese in my diet. It'd probably be a twig. I'd be so skinny without it, but oh well. Right, I'm a terrific genius. I'm gonna put some lettuce in that way because I cut it in half and you can fit some in there through the big gap. I'm so hungry, so I decided to have soup as well when I saw it in the fridge. So nice, this one. So I have got the podcast uploaded and everything now. So I'm now moving on to editing yesterday's Vlogmas video, and I'm having a banana, water and coffee because I'm starting to get a little bit tired now. I'm obsessed with Julia and Hunter. They're literally my favourites. Look at their house. It's so nice. Right, I am now finished editing and it is 10 to 5, so I'm going to go for like a 20-minute, maybe half an hour walk. I think I have the end of podcast to listen to, so I'm going to listen to that and then I'll come back and shower. I still haven't showered since the gym. But I knew I was going to go for a walk anyway, so I was holding out, and then hopefully I'll have dinner after that. I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner though, but I'll definitely show you guys that. I've been showing you like all my meals today, so I feel like it's turned into a bit of what I eat in a day, but we love that. We love to see that. You guys actually love to see that. They always get a good few views, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go now because I'm dying to go to the bathroom. When am I actually not though? I drink loads of water, that's why. I actually forgot that I've got an order for a bleach dye t-shirt to do, so I need to get that done today so I can post it in the morning. I haven't got one in ages, so I haven't got any made at the moment, so I'm just gonna make one. And yeah, I'll show you how I do it quickly. This bottle I always use for bleach dyeing. So you do, this is bleach, you do half bleach, half water. I'm only going to do the smallest amount though, like probably that much bleach and that much water, because it's only for one t-shirt. This is probably too much, but it's fine, I can just keep for next time. Well, you can also use a fork to do this. I've seen loads of times you pretty much go like that and then just fold it all up. God, it's so hard to record it one hand and do this until it's all together. And then you're going to use the elastics to keep it in place and section it off as well. There we go. So use 3 elastics. So then you put bleach on every second. Okay, cool, but are they not going to take 16 hours?
No.
Okay, good.
The chicken is done in less than an hour. There's only crayons.
Okay, fine. Right, and then so you do the bleach on every second one of these. Yeah, but it's not for me, Bo. I'll tell you that much for free. Don't really like it. Oopsie. And same on the other side. Which one did I do last time?
Yeah, 45 to 50 minutes.
Then it usually takes a few minutes, to be honest, until you need to wash it. You see it's starting to change already. Is what I like to see. I live on this road. This road is thriving. They all have Christmas decorations up. Look, they all have matching decorations. Back from my walk now, and I'm uploading my YouTube video because it's finished exporting for today. So I'm gonna hop in the shower quickly and then I'm gonna pretty much relax for the evening. I have to make a thumbnail and stuff like that. So like, I'm just gonna chill and do that while I'm watching. What do I even have to watch at the moment? I don't even know what I'm watching. I'm gonna have to find something. Maybe The Crown. Haven't watched that in ages and I want to see the new ones. Or else I might watch something Christmassy. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go have a shower now because I'm dying to have one and just be comfy and cozy. So I'm gonna get into something nice and comfy and warm afterwards, and yeah, I'll catch up with you later. The absolute best lip balm for proper like dry lips. So good. Have it on, you wouldn't even really notice. It's not like lip balm that's like nearly glossy. It's like, it's hard to explain. It's different to other lip balms. It's like proper like thick and matte and just, yeah, I can't even explain it. I can't, but this is it. Got it sent to me in a PR package ages ago and I was obsessed. It was so good. So I bought it recently when my lips were in bits and now they're perfect. I'm also ready to chill for the night. So I'm wearing this jumper that I got in a huge size from H&M. I think I got it in a large or an extra large from the men's section so that I can wear it as like nearly a dress if I want to. And it's so big. But I also love just wearing long hoodies with leggings, or else you can wear it up like this as well if you don't want it quite as long. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And then I'm wearing these socks that I really want to show you. They're so thick and warm. I forgot about them. I haven't worn them since last year. Look how cute they are. I think Connor got me them for Christmas, but I'm not sure. Like, they were like a stocking footer. Could be maybe someone else. I don't know for sure. So if you did buy me them, please don't be offended. But they're so thick. Oh god, I nearly fell over inside. Like, my feet are roasting. Literally roasting.
I'll put them in for a bit longer, I think.
I asked Connor if he got me these socks and he said that he got me them for our first Christmas together. We weren't actually even together yet, but he got me like a stocking full of little gifts. He's a precious angel. Yeah, these were in it. So they're actually 2 years old. Cute. And it's also now 10:30, so I'm gonna head to bed, brush my teeth and stuff. I just need to hop into my pajamas, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This was a pretty much a what I eat in a day video. That was like the only main things that I really showed. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm so tired and I'm up early again for the gym tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to bed early. I'm determined. I also started using this eye glow serum that I was sent. Well, I see it here. I just put it on, and I've seen people that I follow get amazing results, and the same with on their Instagram, because they asked me if I wanted to try it, and I obviously said yeah, because I have like no lashes. Like, they're so meh. They're also pretty light, so they could do with a tint as well, so I'll probably do that. And I think it's 2 weeks until you start to see results. Like, it depends on the person apparently, but I think they say use it for like 3 to 6 until you've got your desired length, and then use it like, I don't know, I can't remember, once a week or something to maintain it after that. So basically I won't see results for at least 2 weeks. And I only started using it probably 2 weeks ago, but I only did maybe 1 week of using it consistently, and then the last week I pretty much forgot to use it. So I put it on now, and I'm gonna leave it somewhere that I'll notice it and put it on every single day for the next at least week, and then I will show you results because I've taken pictures anyway. It's so good. I feel like I can already kind of notice, if you get me. But oh god, I just rubbed it. It's just basically like a serum, and you apply it like there, and then somehow your eyelashes grow. So now, and I'll put in the before pic, but like they're nowhere near finished yet, but be interesting to see. I'm also curious if it will do anything to my eyebrows, so I put some in my eyebrows because I have like a, sorry, like a bald part there. They just don't grow properly there, so we'll see. So weird seeing my eyes this close up. Sorry, I'm a weirdo, I'm just looking at them. So anyway, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.